Hey everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today in this video we will see how to manage read receipts on Microsoft Teams. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to manage the read receipts on Microsoft Teams. It is because you don't want any other person to know that if you have seen their message or not, or maybe you want the same thing for your own messages. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you can manage the read receipts on Microsoft Teams. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. So first thing, but you have to make sure that you have already installed Microsoft Teams app from Google Play or App Store. And once it get installed, make sure you have already created your account on it, and right now you're logged in from your account. So just simply tap on the icon of the Microsoft Teams app to open the app. Once you open the app, you will see its interface. This is how the Microsoft Teams app looks. Here we have different options all over the screen. At the bottom, we have three options: home, messages, and the alerts. But what we have to do is we have to click on our profile icon, which is on the top left side of the screen. We just have to simply tap on it so that we could get more options through which we could do our work. There you can see we have a lot of different options on our screen. So from all these options, what we have to do is we have to go to the settings is in the middle of all these options. So just simply tap on the settings. At the top it is written settings, and right now we are at the right place. Here we have different options. Every option has its own purpose that it performs in the app. So from all these options, what we have to do is we just have to simply get into this section, and from there you just have to click on messages because read receipts will be there. At the top, messaging is written. That means we are the right section, and the first option is read receipt. So if you don't know what a read receipt is that whenever you see someone message, they will get to know about it. Like on WhatsApp, we get the double blue ticks. That means that we have read the message, and the other person will get to know that they have seen the message. So here the case is same. Right now it is turned on. That means whenever I see someone message, they will get to know, and whenever someone sees my message, I will get to know. But as I turn this option off, now someone messages me, and if I read that message, they will not get to know if I have read the message or not. But this will also work the same for me, that if I message someone, I will also not get to know if they have seen the message or not. So this option works for the both of the parties. So if you want to enable it, just tap on that option and this option will be enabled. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can manage the read receipts on Microsoft Teams. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.